cars conveniently armed with foolproof defenses. Ooh, a sunroof.
There she is, boys! Put the pedal to the metal and run her down!
Sir, yes, sir!
Bang, slam, crash, punch, punch! Come on! For crying out loud! You're an ant car! Ant cars don't explode!
Unless they're fire ants.
And thus I return to mock you, fire ants.
Yang, but how'd you get back?
I owe it all to my lucky blonde wig.